Hello viewers, welcome to yet another exciting lesson. Let's solve this simplification together. So in this expression we have 5 over 2 into bracket negative power 3 over 2. So to simplify this expression, we need to consider first the property of indices, which implies a negative power n can be written as 1 over a power n. So we can write this expression in this form. This then implies that 5 over 2 into bracket power negative 3 over 2 can be written as 1 over 5 over 2 into bracket power 3 over 2. So from here, the next thing we need to do is to consider another properties which says a power m over n can be written as n roots of a power n. So putting the expression in this format, so the denominator is what we are considering first. So we now have the denominator to be 5 over 2 into bracket power 3 over 2 equals to square root of 5 over 2 into brackets power 3. So from here, we take the cube root of the fraction inside the radical. So we take the cube root of it. So we also need to consider another property which says a over b all into bracket power n can be written as a power n over b power n. Writing the expression in this form, we have 5 over 2 into bracket power 3 equals to 5 power 3 over 2 power 3. So simplifying the denominator and the numerator respectively, we have 5 power 3 can be written as 125, which means multiplying 5 3 times. So likewise 2 power of 3 can also give us, or will give us 8. So in putting this back into the expression, we now have 5 over 2 into bracket power 3 will then be equals to 125 over 8. So now taking the square root of the expression, we now have 5 over 2 into brackets power 3 square root will be equals to square root of 125 over 8. So what we need to do here is to simplify the numerator and the denominator respectively. So you can also recall that this can be written as square root of 125 over square root of 8. So simplifying this, we have square root of 125 will be equals to square root of 5 power 2 multiplied by 5, and that will be expressed as square root of 5 power 2 multiplied by square root of 5, and this can be written as square root of 25 multiplied by square root of 5. All this can be written as 5, the square root of 25 is 5 multiplied by square root of 5. So we have been able to simplify the numerator. Now let's simplify the denominator. So the denominator is square root of 8. So we want to simplify square root of 8. So square root of 8 equals to square root of 2 power 2 multiplied by 2 can be written as square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2, and this can be written as square root of 2 multiplied by 2 is multiplied by square root of 2. So this gives us square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 2, and square root of 4 equals to 2. Then we multiply by square root of 2. So in putting back, that is this expression, into equating it to our previous expression, so we now have our expression to be square root of 125 over square root of 8 will be equals to 5 square root of 5 over 2 square root of 2. So now we can now multiply this or rationalize this. So here we have square root of 2 divided by square root of 2. This will now give us square root of 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by square root of 2 will be written as 5 square root of 5 multiplied by 2 over 2 square root of 2 multiplied by 2. We can now express this as 5 square root of 2, or 5 times 2 will give us 10 over 2 square root of 2 times 2 will give us 4, and this can be written as 5 square root of 10 over 2 square root of 4 will give us 2, and this gives us 5 square root of 10 over 2 times 2 will give us 4. So what we need to do from here is to substitute that back into our previous expression, which is 5 over 2 into brackets negative power 3 over 2 is equal to 1 over 5 over 2 into brackets power 3 over 2, which is equal to 1 over 5 square root of 10 over 4. So the inverse of this can be written as 4 over 5 square root of 10. So the inverse, it flips up the denominator and flips down the numerator. So from this expression, 4 over 5 square root of 10 can now be rationalized. So to rationalize this, we have 4 over 5 square root of 10 multiplied by square root of 10 over square root of 10, which is equals to 4 multiplied by square root of 10 over 5, then square root of 10 multiplied by 10. So this can be written as 4 square root of 10 over 5 square root of 100, because 10 multiplied by 10 will give us 100. So this can be written as 4 square root of 10 over 5 square root of 100 will give us 4 square root of 10 over 5 multiplied by 10. Square root of 100 gives us 10, and this will give us 4 square root of 10 over 50. 5 times 10 equals to 50. So this can be simplified further. 2 here, we have 2. Then 2 in 50 will give us 25. So we then have 2 square root of 10 over 25, which can be written as the final answer to this problem. So we meet in the next lesson. Bye.